Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a screen recording video, just like the one that I show you in this video. Now, I've been trying to make money online for a couple of years now, and with this kind of video, a screen recording video, I'm able to get results on YouTube. So if you're, trying to make money online, if you wanted to create a review video or you wanted to start a YouTube channel, then screen recording video can help you guys achieve results without spending anything, right? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you two ways or two free software that I use to create or to do a screen recording video like this. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at jercallora.com. In this YouTube channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, product reviews, latest technology. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. So without further ado, let's dive right into our video. So as you can see guys, I'm in my screen recording software right here. So I can record up to 30 minutes of video for free using this software. All right. Now the name of the software guys is FlexClip. Let me go to FlexClip. So this is the exact software right here. The name of the software is FlexClip. I'm gonna put a link below this video if you wanted to use this software. But this is the exact software that I use to do a screen recording like this, right? You can, go to the pricing section right here and you can check out their pricing page and you'll be able to see that you can get started using the software for 100% free. All right, now to create a screen recording video like this, all you have to do is to click on tools and then go to screen recorder, and voila, this is where you record the video. So this is the exact software that I use to create this video right now. But if you wanted to start recording your video, you can click on the start recording and you have three options right here. You can screen, or you can record your screen plus a web camera, or you can use a screen only. So if you don't want to show your face in front of the camera, just like what I'm doing, then you can just use a screen only video. And then if you wanted to record a webcam only, then you can click on this webcam only. Now the one that I use is the screen only because I record my camera using my mobile phone. So I'm actually looking at my mobile phone right now. I'm not using a camera because I don't have the camera yet, but I'm actually using my phone right now, which is in front of me right now. So what I have to do is to click on this first step. But if you have a camera, then you can use this web screen plus camera. You can click on next step, and all you have to do is to allow that camera or allow FlexClip to use your camera, right? Now I'm not gonna do this because I don't have access to my camera, so I can just go back right here. I can click on screen only, and then this is where I choose my audio recording, so I can record my microphone, which is this microphone right here, and then the system audio, which is the audio that is happening inside of your computer screen. So let's say while you are playing a video on YouTube, so you can also record the audio on the video that plays on a YouTube. And then you can also select a microphone only. So if you don't want to record a system audio, then you can use a microphone only. Or if you don't want to use your mic, then you can use your audio only. Or if you don't want to use no audio at all, then you can just turn this off. But I really like to use microphone and system audio, and I can click on the show more so I can select which microphone I am using. So right now I'm using this 3 USB condenser, but I actually install a NVIDIA broadcast so I can record a video without any noise. So I have the NVIDIA broadcast installed right here, and then I have the microphone selected right here, and then I can use this effect, which is this noise removal. So if there's a noise in my surroundings, then this is gonna help this is gonna help you remove or reduce that noise, right? So I actually turn this on right here, and also I turn this echo removal right here, and then I just basically choose the NVIDIA broadcast right here. So if I'm ready to start recording my video, all I have to do now is to just click on start recording, and then just click on got it, and then you can choose a Chrome tab or a window only, or you can use the entire screen. I really like to use the entire screen, and then I just basically share system audio. And all you have to do now is to like click on share, and it will automatically record your audio. All right, so I'm just gonna stop this for now because I am recording a video right here. So I'm now in the 6 minutes of my video. All right, so that's basically how you record a video. And then if you don't like the video that you recorded, you can click on this re-record. Or if you wanted to um, download the screen recording or edit the screen recording, you can click on this download right here. It will automatically download that screen recording into your computer, and it will open up an editor right here, so you can edit the video right here. All right, so you can edit, you can crop, you can trim, and you can export your video, or you can use a different or third-party software to edit this video. You can click on show this in folder, and this is the screen recording right here. Right, so this is the first software that I'm encouraging you to use because this is 100% free, and you can record up to 30 minutes of video without any watermark. Alright guys, now the second tool that I'm going to be showing you guys is Clipchamp. So this is the exact software or tool right here. Now this is actually built in if you have Windows 11 installed into your computer. But all you have to do is to go to your search box right here and just search for Clipchamp. So this is the video right here, Clipchamp video editor, or you can go to Google. Let me go to Google and search for Clipchamp. Right, Clipchamp video editor. Alright, so this is the software right here, Clipchamp free online video editor. And once that installed into your computer, this is gonna look something like this, right? And you have three options right here. You can record a screen and camera, you can record a camera only, or you can record a screen, right? So I actually use screen recording because just like I said, I use my phone to record my camera. So I can just click on this one right here, and it will open up this pop-up right here that will allow you to record. By you're gonna need to choose a microphone. So if you have the microphone installed, just like I said a while ago, I have this 3 USB condenser microphone, and I actually use NVIDIA broadcast right here. And all you have to do now is to just click on start recording. And again, you have three options. You can record your entire screen, your window, and or your tab. So I'm just gonna use the entire screen, and then I can click on share system audio. I can click on this one. I can click on share, and I'm now starting recording a video. So as you can see, the timer is running right here. I can also hide this one right here. So as you can see, I'm now recording my video. So while talking right now, I'm now recording video. So I can hover my mouse around right here, and start recording your video, right? And then once you're happy with your recording, you can just click on this stop right here, and you can now save and edit this video by clicking on starting recording edit right here, and that's it. You can you have that screen recording saved inside of your computer, and you also have that video inside here. So you can edit your screen recording video. You can click on this one, and then you can split, or you can trim, or you can delete specific section of your video using Clipchamp for free, right? So that's basically, guys, the tools that I use to do a screen recording video. So if you like trying to do affiliate marketing, you wanted to do a product reviews, then this software can help you guys out. The first one is flixclip.com, and then the second one is Clipchamp. I'm gonna put a link to all of the tools that I mentioned in this video. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell icon. And by the way, guys, I have a free affiliate marketing training course. If you wanted to learn affiliate marketing the right way, I have a free mini course below or in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.